All right, next exercise is the single leg deadlift. This is really great for establishing good hip control, hip strength, core awareness, everything of the sort. I'm a big fan of double leg deadlift, but if you don't have a weight, then it's kind of an exercise that will be pointless for you if you can't lift anything. So single leg will be good to do from the bodyweight fashion. So single leg deadlift, I'm going to show you one first, and then I'll kind of explain the mechanics and the breakdown. So I like to have my hands kind of out in front. We're balancing just on that left foot. Slight knee bend. We're going to shoot that left hip back. Going to lean forward, kind of close to the ground. You don't have to touch it. Then we're going to come back up. It's really important in this one that knee, ankle, and hip, kind of the same common thread with all these exercises when you're doing like a functional movement that involves the whole entire leg. We want them to be in alignment. So we never want to see any veering off of your knee that way or outward. We want it to be in a pretty good alignment. Slight knee bend, not a ton of knee bend like the squat, just very slight. And instead what we're thinking about is really hinging backwards with that left hip. So we hinge back, we come back up. A lot of our weight should be pressed through our heel of our standing leg. So that's going to really fire the glute, that's going to fire the hamstrings. You're going to feel that kind of rebound stretch flex. Very important with this one to have also a nice straight back. Anytime you curl forward in the back with any of these exercises, we're going to really load those discs. So we don't want to do that, so we want to keep a very straight back. So I'll show you from the side here. This back leg that's kicked up, you can do it completely straight if you want. Slight bend, that's okay. Biggest important thing is keeping that back nice and straight. So from the side, we're here. Going to hinge back on that hip. And back up. Again. Hinge forward. Back up. Other thing to note is, as I hinge forward at the waist, I don't want to see any rotation of my hips. So by rotation, I mean this. This would be a bad single leg deadlift. So I'm lifting, I can't even balance like that. So lifting that right hip up like this and really rotating your pelvis. We don't want any of this to happen. We want that pelvis to be nice and straight, and then just hinge forward and back up.